All of you mute your mic. So let us start the session. Today we are going to start multiple choice questions from coordinate geometry chapter number 7, and we are going to do questions based on section formula. So let us start with the first question. The point which divides the line joining the points A 1 2, B -1 1 internally in the ratio 1:2. Right? So first we will write x1, x2, y1, y2 and x1, y1, x2, y2 and m1, m2. So what is x1, y1 here?
1, 2.
1,
2.
right. And x2, y2,
Minus.
right. And m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. Right. So we'll write the formula for x coordinate. X coordinate m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So this is the x coordinate formula. So यहाँ पे देखो 1 into -1 plus 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 2. This step is clear?
Yes.
Okay, so this will be -1 plus 2 upon 3. So what is the final answer?
1 by 3.
1 by 3, right. Now we'll write y coordinate. Y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So we'll get 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 2. So ये 1 हो जाएगा and this will become 4 upon 1 plus 2, that is 3. So 1 plus 4 by 3. Final answer?
5.
5 by 3. Right. So 1 by 3, 5 by 3. Which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 2. The coordinates of the point which divides the line joining of A -5 11 and B 4 -7 in the ratio 7:2 is. So here also we'll write first x1 y1, x2 y2 and m1 m2. So x1 y1 is -5 and 11, x2 y2 is 4 -7 and m1 is 7 and m2 is 2. Okay, so now we'll write the formula for x coordinate. What is the formula of x coordinate?
M1 x2 plus m1 plus m2.
Okay, very good. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Right. So what you are going to get? 7 into 4 plus 2 into -5 upon 7 plus 2. Right. So this will become 28 and this will become -10 upon 9. So 28 minus 10 upon 9. 18 upon 9. So final answer?
2.
2. Right. Next one, y coordinate. Y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So we'll get 7 into -7 plus 2 into 11 upon 7 plus 2. So this will become -49 plus 22 upon 9. So -49 plus 22 is -27 upon 9. So final answer? -3. So 2 minus 3. Which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option B. Right. So this is the second question. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Find the coordinates of the point that divides the joint of A -1 7 and B 4 -3 in the ratio 2:3. So here x1 y1 is -1 7 and x2 y2 is 4 -3 and m1 is 2 and m2 is 3. So again we will write the coordinate of x first, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Right. So this will be 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 upon 2 plus 3. So 8 minus 3 upon 5. So 8 minus 3, 5. 5 upon 5. So what is the answer?
1.
1. Right. So next, y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So we'll get 2 into 3 -3 plus 3 into 7 upon 2 plus 3. Okay, ये 7 है ना, this is 7. So we'll get -6 plus 21 upon 5. So -6 plus 21, 15. So by 5, what is the answer?
3.
3. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Right, option A. So this is the third question. Now we are moving toward question number 4. If the coordinates of point A and B are -2, -2, 2, -4 respectively, find the coordinates of the point P such that AP is equals to 3/7 of AB, where P lies on the line segment AB. Okay, so what is given that AP is 3/7. एक रफ डायग्राम मैं बना रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. So this is AB, okay, AB, and one point is P here. Suppose AP is 3/7 of AB, so what is the fraction of PB?
4/7.
4/7. Very good. Now we have to find the ratio of these two. So AP divided by PB. So if you divide these two, you will get, these two will be cancelled and we'll get 3/4. So that is AP by PB is equals to 3/4. Whether this step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we got the ratio 3:4. Now we'll substitute x1 y1, that is -2 -2, and x2 y2, that is 2 -4, and m1 is 3, m2 is 4. So now we are going to find x coordinate. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So ये हो जाएगा 3 into 2 plus 4 into -2 upon 3 plus 4. 6 minus 8 upon 7. So what we are going to get?
-2/7.
Right, very good. -2/7. Now y coordinate. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So we'll get 3 into -4 plus 4 into -2 upon 3 plus 4. So -12 -8 upon 7. So what we are going to get?
-20/7.
-20/7. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So this is the fourth question. Now we are moving toward question number 5. The point -1, 6 divides the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 in the ratio. So we have to find the ratio. So for finding the ratio, both the values are known to us, x and y. But I told you that the negative value we have to neglect. So positive value जो दिया हुआ उसको लेंगे. So that is 6, y coordinate. So let the ratio be case to 1, and we are going to write x1 y1, that is -3, 10, and x2 y2, that is 6 -8. Right, and x and y are given -1, 6. So we are going to write the y coordinate. Right, y coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So m1 y2, say this is m1 y2, right, and m2 y1. So what we are going to get, k into -8 plus 1 into 10 upon k plus 1. So -8 plus 10 upon k plus 1, and that will be equals to 6. So here we will do cross multiplication. So -8k plus 10 is equals to 6k plus 6. Now what we are going to do, we are going to shift -8k to this side and 6 to this side. So what we are going to get, 10 minus 6, 6 is equals to 6k plus 8k. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 14k is equals to 4. So what is the final answer? 4/14. You have to simplify also.
2/7.
Right, 2/7. So which is the correct option?
Option C.
Option C, right. Okay, so this is question number 5. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Ratio in which the line 3x plus 4y is equals to 7 divides the line segment joining the points 1, 2 and -2, 1. So एक rough diagram मैं बता रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. So this is suppose A and B. Okay, this is A and B, or one line is there. Suppose this line is 3x plus 4y is equals to 7. Okay, 3x plus 4y is equals to 7, and this point is P. Now P lies on AB also, and that the given line also. So we'll start with the let the ratio be case to 1. Okay, and this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So we'll start with this step. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now x coordinate. The formula for x coordinate is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, right? So what we are going to get? K into minus 2 plus 1 into 1 upon k plus 1. Okay. So this will be minus 2k plus 1 upon k plus 1. This is x. Okay. Now similarly we have to find y. So y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So what we are going to get? K into 1 plus 1 into 2 upon k plus 1. So we are getting k plus 2 upon k plus 1. So this is y. Now see, this point P lies on this line also. So then the coordinate, the value of x and y we will substitute in that. That satisfies the equation also. So we are going to substitute. So after substituting we are getting this one. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll take
Yes,
LCM.
sir.
दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, सो इसको यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो विल गेट दिस स्टेप. ये स्टेप क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
So open the bracket. Minus 6k plus 3 plus 4k plus 8 is equals to 7k plus 7. Right. So see, minus 6k plus 4k will become minus 2k. Okay. और वो minus 2k को हम लोग यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे, plus 2k. Right. Now 3 plus 8 is 11 and we will shift this 7 to this side. So it will become 11 minus 7. This is clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
9k is equals to 4. So final answer
4 by 9.
4 by 9.
9.
So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So this is question number 6. Now we are moving toward question number 7. C is the midpoint of PQ. If P is 4x and C is y minus 1 and Q is minus 2, 4, then x and y respectively are. So first of all, it is given that C is the midpoint of PQ. And we know that the midpoint formula, x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. So first we will get 4 plus minus 2 by 2 is equals to y. That we will get first. Okay. So यहाँ पे देखो ये 2 हो जाएगा. 4 minus 2 and 2 by 2 is 1. So we got y is equals to 1. Next one, x plus 4 by 2 is equals to minus 1. So again do cross multiplication. So we'll get x plus 4 is equals to minus 2. Shift 4 to this side. It will become minus 4. So what is the answer?
Minus 6.
Minus 6. Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So this is the 7th question. Now we are moving toward question number 8. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining A 3 0 and B minus 5 4. So just now I told you that the midpoint formula, that is x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. So we'll substitute the value of x1 y1. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So x1 plus x2 by 2 means 3 plus minus 5 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 means 0 plus 4 by 2. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So minus 2 by 2 and 4 by 2 we are getting. So final answer, x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to 2. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 9. If 2P is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A 6 minus 5 and B minus 2 11, find the value of P. So the given points are A and B, right? And it is given that 2P is the midpoint of AB. And just now I told you that midpoint formula x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. And P is y coordinate. Okay, so we are going to take P y coordinate only, this part. So y1 is minus 5 and y2 is 11. So P is equals to minus 5 plus 11 by 2. that is 6 by 2. So what is the final answer? P is equals to
3.
3. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 10. If 3, 3, 6y, 6y, x7 and 5, 6 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then the value of x and y respectively are. So first of all, we will take it as a, right? A, B, C and D. और एक रफ फिगर बना लेते हैं पैरेललोग्राम का. Suppose this is A, B, C and D. Okay, and we know that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So if we draw the diagonal, so the midpoint of both the diagonals are same. That is, इसको O ले लेते हैं. Okay, so O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. This is clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now what is the midpoint of AC? See, x plus 3 by 2, 7 plus 3 by 2. This is the midpoint of AC. So we are getting x plus 3 by 2, this is 5. This is the midpoint of AC. Now midpoint of BD, 5 plus 6 by 2. Okay, 5 plus 6 by 2 and 6 plus y by 2, right? Oh, this is y. So we are getting 11 by 2 and 6 plus y by 2. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the midpoint of both are same. So we will equate this two and this two. So we will get this step. यहाँ पे ये 2 cancel हो जाएगा and you can cross multiply this two. So we'll get x plus 3 is equals to 11 and 6 plus y is equals to 10. Shift plus 3 to this side, 11 minus 3, and plus 6 to this side, 10 minus 6. So what we are going to get, the x and y? X, 8 and 4. Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. Now we are moving toward question number 11. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. So this is the rough diagram. See, this coordinate we have to find and we have to select the correct option. Okay, so let A be x, y. Then we know that center is the midpoint of diameter. So C is the midpoint of AB. So we are going to get x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2, right? So x plus 1 is equals to 4 हो जाएगा. Now plus 1 को इधर shift करेंगे तो minus 1 and we are going to get x is equals to 3. Next one, y plus 4 by 2 is equals to minus 3. ठीक है, that is y1 plus y2 by 2 is equals to y. Right, so y ये यहाँ पे shift कर लेंगे तो y plus 4 is equals to minus 6 हो जाएगा. Now shift plus 4 to this side. So we'll get minus 4. So minus 6 minus 4 will become minus 10. So 3 minus 10 is the correct answer. Which option is the correct?
Option C.
Option C, right. Oh, option C, not D. Okay, fine. So let us move towards question number 12. In what ratio does the point P 25 divide the join of A 82 and B minus 69? So यहाँ पे देखो P का दोनों coordinates positive है. So we can go for either 2 or either 5 as per our wish. Okay. So मैं 5 को लेके चल रहा हूँ क्योंकि 5 already हम लोग x y coordinate लिए हैं. You can go for 2 also. So let the ratio k is to 1 and x1 y2 is 82 and x2 y2 is minus 69. Right, so m1 is k and m2 is 1. So I'm going to take y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So we are going to get k into 9 plus 1 into 2 upon k plus 1, and this will become 9k plus 2 upon k plus 1 is equals to 5. That is given. Now cross multiplication. So 9k plus 2 is equals to 5k plus 5. 5k if you shift to this side, it will become minus 5k, and plus 2 if you shift to this side, it will become minus 2, right? This step we'll get. So 4k is equals to 3. So what is the final answer?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So this is the 12th question. Now we are moving toward question number 13. Find the ratio in which the point P M6 divide the join of A minus 4 3 and 2 8. The same question can be asked, find the value. Okay, find the value of M if value of M if P divides the line joining A minus 4 3 and B 2 8. ऐसा भी पूछा जा सकता है. So फिलहाल ये क्वेश्चन रेशियो पे है and the y coordinate is known to us. So we are going to take y coordinate. So let the ratio be case to 1, x1 y1 minus 4 3, x2 y2 2 8, and m1 is k, m2 is 1. So y coordinate ले रहे हैं तो m1 y2 प्लस m2 y1 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. सो k इंटू 8 हो जाएगा प्लस 1 इंटू 3 अपॉन k प्लस 1. सो 8k प्लस 3 अपॉन k प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 6. अगेन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो 8k प्लस 3 is equals to 6k plus 6. Shift 6k to this side minus 6k plus 3 to this side minus 3. So we'll get this step. Final 2k is equals to 3. Final answer
3 by
3 by 2. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 14. In what ratio is the line segment joining A 2 minus 3 and B 5 6 divided by the x-axis? So what is the point? What is the form of the point on the x-axis?
x0.
Very good. x0. तो अभी जो पॉइंट P जो था वो x0 है, राइट? सो यहाँ पे कौन सा वैल्यू हम लोग के पास दिया हुआ है? विच वैल्यू इज नोन टू अस? y, right? So we'll take y coordinate first. Okay, so let us start with let the ratio be case to 1, and this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, and m1 is k and m2 is 1, and we know that the point on the x-axis is in the form of x0. So now we are going to take y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2, and this is k into 6 plus 1 into minus 3 upon k plus 1. So this will become 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Now 0 into any number that is equals to 0, that we know. So we'll get 6k minus 3 is equals to 0, or 6k is equals to 3. So what is the value of k? Final answer
1 by 2.
Very good. 1 by 2. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So this is the 14th question. Now we are moving toward question number 15. ये x-axis का example था, question था. Now we are going to do by for y-axis. So in what ratio is the line segment joining the points A minus 2 minus 3 and B 3 7 divided by the y-axis? So we will start with the same step. Let the ratio be case to 1, and this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. m1 is k and m2 is 1. So now the point on the y-axis is in the form of what?
0y.
Very good, 0y. So we'll going to take x coordinate, क्योंकि x coordinate का value हमारे पास है. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, right? So we are going to get k into 7, okay? No, k into 3 plus 1 into minus 2 upon k plus 1. So 3k minus 2 upon k plus 1 is equals to 0. Now k plus 1 into 0 will be 0. So we are getting 3k minus 2 is equals to 0. So what is the final answer?
2 by 3.
Yes, 2 by 3. So correct option?
Option B.
Option B, right. 2 is to 3. So now we are moving toward question number 16. In what ratio does the line x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0 divide the line segment joining the points A 3 minus 1 and B 8 9? So just now we did this type of question. देखो यहाँ पे ये A और B point है और एक one line is intersecting this line. This is x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0, right? And this point P lies on this line also. ठीक है, ये वाला point है x minus y is equals to 2 लिख दे रहा हूँ मैं, that is also correct. Okay, so let the ratio be case to 1 and x1 y1 is 3 minus 1 and x2 y2 is 8 9, right? And m1 is k and m2 is 1. So what we will do, we will find the x coordinate and y coordinate, right? X और y निकाल के equation में substitute करेंगे. So let us start with the x coordinate. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, right? So we are going to get k into 8 plus 1 into 3 upon k plus 1, right? So 8k plus 3 upon k plus 1. This is x, right? Now y coordinate. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So we are going to get k into 9 plus 1 into minus 1 upon k plus 1. So 9k minus 1 upon k plus 1. So this x and y we are going to substitute in this equation. Okay, because that point lies on that equation also, that line also. So चलो substitute कर दिए. ये वाला step clear हो गया. ये 2 को मैंने right side में shift कर दिया. This is clear? Okay. Now if you take LCM, k plus 1 we can multiply here directly, or multiplying all the term by k plus 1. So we are getting this step. Right. Now open the bracket. So 8k plus 3 minus 9k plus 1. Because of this minus, this will become plus. So is equals to 2k plus 2. Right? 8k minus 9k हो जाएगा minus k, and that minus k I will shift to this side, plus k, and 3 plus 4 is 2. This 2 I will shift to this side, 4 minus 2 हो जाएगा. अब ये वाला step clear है क्या, देख लो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 3k is equals to 2. What is the final answer?
2 by 12.
2 by 3. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Right, option A. Very good. So now we are moving toward question number 17. If the points P, A minus 11, Q 5B, R 215 and S 11 are the vertices of parallelogram PQRS taken in order, then the value of A and B are respectively equal to. So सबसे पहले graph figure बना लेते हैं. Okay, PQRS. Now we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So O is the midpoint of PR as well as QS. Okay, so midpoint of PR देखो क्या होगा, A plus 2 by 2 minus 11 plus 15 by 2, this one. So A plus 2 by 2, this will become 4 by 2, and finally A plus 2 by 2 comma 2. This is clear, midpoint of PR.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now midpoint of QS. 5 plus 1 by 2, B plus 1 by 2. So 6 by 2, B plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2 will become 3. So 3, B plus 1 by 2. Now the midpoint of both are same, that is O. So we will equate x coordinate and y coordinate. So A plus 2 by 2 is equals to 3 and B plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2. So we'll get this step. So A plus 2 हो जाएगा 6 और B plus 1 it will become 4. Now shift plus 2 to this side, minus 2, 6 minus 2 हो जाएगा, and plus 1 to this side, it will become 4 minus 1. So what is the value of A?
4.
B?
3.
3. So correct option?
Option C.
Option C, right. So option C is the correct answer. So now we are moving toward question number 18. If 3 consecutive vertices of a parallelogram ABCD are A 1 minus 2, B 3 6 and C 5 10, find its fourth vertex D. So this is the rough diagram. Fourth vertex, let it be AB, and again the same concept we are going to use, that we know that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, right? So O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. Right, now midpoint of AC, ध्यान से देखो, 1 plus 5 by 2 minus 2 plus 10 by 2. So this will become 6 by 2 and 8 by 2. So 6 by 2 is 3, 8 by 2 is 4. So 3, 4. Now midpoint of BD. So A plus 3 plus A by 2, yeah, A plus 3 by 2, 6 plus B by 2, yeah, B plus 6 by 2, right? You can write any way. So now we are going to equate these two coordinates because that belongs to the same point. So 3 plus A by 2 3 हो जाएगा and 6 plus B by 2 it will become 4. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 3 plus A is equals to 6 and 6 plus B by B is equals to 8. Now shift 3 to this side, minus 3, 6 to this side, it will become minus 6. So what is the value of A?
3.
3. B?
2.
2. Which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, right. So now we are moving toward question number 19. Total 20 questions hai. So this is the second last question. The line 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0 divides the line segment joining 2 minus 2 and 3 7 in the ratio. So again this is in similar question just now we did. AB यहाँ पर AB को एक line intersect कर रहा है and this line is given that is 2x plus y is equals to 4 we can write. So point P lies on that line also. So what we will do, we will find x and y and we'll substitute in the line. Okay, so let us start with the first step. Let the ratio be case to 1. So x1 y1 minus 2 minus 2 and x2 y2 is 3 7. Okay, so we'll start with the x coordinate. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So k into 3 plus 1 into 2 upon k plus 1. ये हो जाएगा 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1. Now we will find y coordinate. Okay, so y coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So that is k into 7 plus 1 into minus 2 upon k plus 1. 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1. So this x and y we are going to substitute in the given equation. This one 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0. So minus 4 को हम लोग यहाँ शिफ्ट कर लेते हैं is equals to 4 हो जाएगा. So ये step clear है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll take LCM. So k plus 1 यहाँ पे multiply हो जाएगा और multiply all by k plus 1. So we'll get this step. Now open the bracket 6k plus 4. 7k minus 2 is equals to 4k plus 4. 6k plus 7k 13k होगा. So 4k हम लोग यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे. तो so 13k minus 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2. That 2 we will shift to this side. So 4 minus 2 हो जाएगा. ये step clear है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 9k is equals to 2. What is the final answer?
2 by 9.
2 by 9. Which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward the last question. If P minus 1 1 is the midpoint of the line segment joining A minus 3B and B 1B plus 4, then B is equals to what? So what is the two given points are A and B, and it is given that minus 1 1 is the midpoint of AB. And we know that the formula, midpoint formula, x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. So यहाँ पे जो b जो है that belongs to y coordinate. Okay, दोनों में. So we are going to take y coordinate only. That is y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. So what we are going to get, b plus 4 by 2 is equals to 1. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 1 is equals to 2b plus 4 by 2. So we can cross multiply this. So we'll get 2b plus 4 is equals to 2. Now shift 4 to this side. So 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 हो जाएगा. So what is the final value of b?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. So which is the correct option?
Option B.
Option B, right. So this is the last question of coordinate geometry section formula based question. And in the next session we will do triangles, and in the triangles we will do first Thales theorem and criteria based questions. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.